So I have the seat covers in there, and honestly, I'm getting used to them. After a few days, been able to see how it looks inside. The creases are slowly going away, and it's starting to look more factory. Next thing is this right here. So the Frunk, super cool. I love putting my stuff in there, but there's an issue that I have every time I try to open it. It's not automatic. And yeah, I get it. It doesn't have to be automatic. It still opens and it's still cool, but we can make it somewhat automatic, right? We can just change these things. So here's what I did. I bought these from Amazon. I think they're like $20 or something. I'll have the link in the description, but you know, I figured, why not? I'll just add them in there, have it automatically open. Good, right? My concern, obviously, just like what you're probably thinking, is that these, it's gonna start bending the hood, right? So let's close the hood and look down this line right here. It kind of dips down a little bit right now, but it seems to be pretty even for the most part. Let's take a look at this side. Pretty much the same thing. It dips down when it goes to the hood a little bit, but it still dips down. So let's open it back up and get to work. All right, so these are pretty simple to replace. You get a little screwdriver, you pop it in there, and then pull from the bottom, and then install this in the reverse way. So let's give that a try right now, see how that goes. So screwdriver in there, carefully pull out and then pop out. Now I'm doing this one-handed, so a little difficult, but there we go. And then at the bottom, should be able to just pull this off, right? Okay, I might need to use the screwdriver again. There we go. Take out, perfect. All right, holding up the hood with my head right here so it doesn't fall, but this is the difference between them. A lot smaller, but apparently stronger. So let's pop that in there. Pretty simple. This top one has to be turned a little bit, and then pop it in. Perfect. Let's move on to the next side. Same thing. I'm gonna set the camera down and just replace it real quick so I don't have to do it one-handed. I'll be right back. Okay, I got him in there. Oh, I can definitely tell the hood is a little harder to pull down. There's some weight to it for sure, but let's see how it opens up now. Closes pretty good. This is still pretty much the same. Actually, it's almost even. Yeah. Let's see here. It's pretty even on this side as well. Cool, cool. Same test. Let's open it up and see how that goes. Oh, I love that. So again, pretty hard to pull down. There's a bit of weight to it. Right about here, it gets super easy to pull down. Let's open it up one more time. Oh, I love that. And it doesn't spring so much either. I was expecting it to like spring and bounce very aggressively, but it doesn't. God, that's so good. I love it. All right, so here are the old pistons. Heavier, thicker than the new ones. And although it's a little harder to close at first, it seems like it's kind of loosening up now after a few tries. I'm just gonna do it one more time. I love seeing that thing go up. All right, 3, 2, 1. So smooth. God, that's so nice. Now this is still really loud to open up right in here. I'm gonna see what I can figure out, because this is extremely loud and obnoxious when we open the button. See what I can do there, but that is gonna be a project for another time. I'm excited. I'm happy. Later.